Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of February. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aries? Kamusta? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of February. Tingnan natin kung anong meron para sa mga Aries people. Kamusta ang puso? Let's see. I feel I need 3 more shuffles. Again, i-remind ko kayo ng mga nagme-message sa inyo. Hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo isa-isa. If you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. At ang palatandaan, no, na legit yung account natin, ay isa lang po yung fina-follow natin na account, which is Sky Angeles 11. Mag-ingat sa mga nanghihingi lang ng pera at ayaw magtrabaho ng maayos. Alright, Aries, there's a masculine energy here. Very charming, very playful. I don't know kung ano yung misunderstanding because sabi ng feminine, hey, usap tayo. Sabi ng masculine, ay nako, drama na naman yan. Ayokong pag-usapan yan. Okay, this is the energy of you trigger each other. Okay, kung ano man yan, hindi pagkakaintindihan na yan. Sabi ng feminine, sige, kung ganyan ka, lagi ka na lang parang umiiwas. Sabi niya, sige, ayaw rin naman niya ng conflict, ayaw din naman ng feminine na that she feels like she's on the begging end of the relationship, okay? So sabi niya, sige, kung ayaw mong ayusin to, di sabi ng feminine, mag-step back siya. Okay? But there's a strong feeling here, but I feel because of the uncertainty ng energy sa connection, maraming questions. Okay? But the love, the feeling is strong. May mga dapat pag-usapan na nagdadala ng heartbreak and disappointment, but I feel nagkakaroon lang ng trying to run away from the situation, from the problem, kaysa pag-usapan. Okay? I feel marami talagang dapat pag-usapan at i-fix sa situation na to para magkaroon ng balance. Again, ayan na, lumabas na. This is a very strong soulmate connection. May dalang swerte, no, yung partnership nyong dalawa. And kung may mga plano, future plans, no, na magkaanak, yes, no, pati yung pagkakaroon ng anak ay magiging swerte sa inyong dalawa. Kung may anak nga, that is really like the energy of blessing sa inyo, tong bata na to. But I feel may challenges with the energy of the masculine kasi kung ano yung sabihin natin hindi magandang, mga toxic ways ng masculine, nagkakaroon siya ng issues of like self-reflection and admitting na may mali talaga dun sa sistema niya right now. Okay? So may stubbornness of having personal accountability sa mga bagay na kailangang ayusin ng masculine here. I feel, no, nagkakaroon ng resistance because the masculine feels like, it feels like an attack, yung mga suggestions or opinions ng feminine sa connection na to. Okay? So, misunderstanding or probably may mali sa tono. Lalo na kung yung Aries dito ay yung babae. Baka na-overpower ang energy na masculine. So, the reason for the reading is the both of you chose to stay in this connection but may naglilinger na energy of feeling unloved, okay, because of the misunderstanding sa relationship na to. But I feel you chose to give this connection another chance and like bigyan pa rin ng atensyon, pagmamahal, ilaban pa, okay? Sabi nga is konting sugal pa kung magkakaroon ng magandang outcome yung relationship na to. Okay? Aries, I feel meron kang pinagdadasal na malaking blessing na sana, no, dumating na sa buhay mo. I feel sobrang nandito yung focus mo sa malaking blessing na to. Okay? So, hinihintay mo lang yung sagot ni God kung kailan ba to darating or kung ano pa yung mga dapat mong gawin para ma-manifest na mas mabilis tong malaking blessings na to. Right now, Aries, I feel marami kang iniisip na doon ka sa confusion. Marami kang kinoconsider. Okay. Okay, for some of you, may choices, no? May options. Sana all may options. May options kung kanino ba talaga mag-offer ng solid love commitment. Or for some of you, ay nalilito pa rin kung ready na ba talaga sa solid connection or like wag mo nang lagyan ng label or hindi pa talaga kaya maging what do you call that? Committed. Okay? Your person kasi, kaya ganyan yung energy mo, yung person mo, ayaw ding matatali. Parang, I don't know if your person wants an open relationship. Hindi siya ready for a solid connection. Galing na siya sa isang connection na sobrang na broken-hearted tong person na to. Kaya right now, parang gusto lang niya yung walang label or chill-chill lang, go with the flow. Ayaw daw niya ng stress, ayaw daw niya ng worry. So, yung person ng mga Aries, gusto niya is casual connection for now. So, Aries, define mo ano ba talagang gusto mo. Dapat kasi in alignment ka dun sa person mo para hindi ka nasasaktan. Okay? So, meron ka mga doubts kung ano talaga yung plano mo, kung ano yung decision mo for this connection. Because I feel may pagkakaiba ng readiness and commitment, no? Kaya may confusion sa'yo. Kasi kung aligned naman kayo, na pareho kayong like go with the flow energy, wala dapat confusion, but may confusion dito sa part mo kung ano ba talaga kayo ng person na to. Okay? Because nagkaroon ka in the past ng mga expectations, mga outcome sana na gusto mo, but hindi mo yun nakita sa connection na to. Okay? Until the end of April, I don't feel na makikita mo yung long-term sa relationship na to, but nandito pa rin yung mga little acts of love, gestures of love, mga offer of love and communication sa'yo nung person mo. Kaya parang this effort is enough for you to stay, but not enough for you to feel secured about the relationship. Ano nga yung ganong energy na parang nakukulangan ka, you don't feel secure kasi natatabangan ka sa relationship, but may nakikita ka namang konting effort, sabihin natin breadcrumbing, kaya sabi mo is kahit paano naman, nandyan pa rin naman siya. Okay? That means you're lowering your standards. At the end of April, I feel this is more on the feminine energy na mag-hold back na rin ng offer of love yung feminine. Sabi niya, ay kung ganon, di mag-hold back na rin siya, hindi na rin siya masyadong magbibigay ng attention and effort sa connection na to. Okay? Hindi ipaglalaban na relationship. So again, Aries, dapat, no, before you enter in a connection, dapat alam mo yung hinahanap mo. Para alam mo kung yung nakita mong tao, ito talaga yung hinahanap mo or ito talaga yung pinagdasal mo kay God na sana is mabless ka ng, you know, ng kapareho mo ng readiness, kapareho mo ng commitment level. Sa part na to, I feel, yung feminine sa connection, mas nag-e-expect ng commitment. And the masculine is more on the chill lang. Tingnan natin, pag nagkasundo tayo, chill lang, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Regardless of the age, okay? Because may nararamdaman ako dito na baka yung iba 40s and more na, pero sabihin pa rin, chill lang. Let's see where this goes, diba? That kind of energy. But that's unfair if someone is more ready for a more stable and committed connection. But then, hindi to magiging unfair if alam mo na hindi naman ready yung person at pinipilit mo lang siyang maging ready at naghahantay ka lang kung kailan siya maging ready. If nandun ka sa category of you're waiting for your person to be ready, just manage your emotions. Just in case na doon sa binigay mong ultimatum, hindi pa rin siya maging ready. Because tinanggap mo yung sitwasyon na you're looking forward sa potential ng relationship na to. Okay? To balance your emotions, Madagascar Rose Quartz. To ground your emotions and protect yourself from evil eye, the Madagascar Rose Quartz. Okay? To connect with the divine and to have mental clarity para makuha mo na yung sagot dito, no? Magkaroon ka na ng clarity sa situation na to, Amethyst Crystal. Abundance, if you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine. Okay? Meron din tayo mga promo sa crystals. PM nyo lang ako. Okay? So for now, wala akong masyadong nakikitang good news here. Kasi this is just the feminine, no? Especially dun sa feminine side. Ay, like, nilolower niya yung standards niya because ayaw niyang mawala itong masculine na hindi pa masyadong ready for the love connection. Okay? I feel darating yung time, no, until the second half of this year na mapapagod yung feminine kahintay and she'll walk away. But may energy dito na pag nag-walk away yung feminine, hahabol naman yung masculine. But the question dito is, it's not about, hindi ka mabitiwan ni masculine. Ang kailangan tanungin ng feminine sa sarili niya is, ano ba yung effort at offer ni masculine na stable? Kasi pwede namang maglinger yung masculine until 10 or 50 years nang walang plano sa'yo. So, know what you want, feminine, and that will be the Aries reading.